Hi guys, Bart here from Essence Barbecue Lab. Now this is the Cube 360, a small portable charcoal barbecue that does a big job. This is a 1 kilo tri-tip, that's the barbecue, so let's smoke that in there. Okay, so let's light the cube. So we're using some natural fire lighters, spun timber with wax. Then with 180 grams of charcoal, just place it over the top, just underneath. 4 tablespoons cracked black pepper, 3 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon onion powder. Let's prepare the tri-tip. I have some Louisiana hot sauce. You can use just oil if you wish or whatever you like, but kind of like this. Gives it a nice roundness to it, a little bit of a kick. Going to do both sides. Then our rub, which we prepared earlier. Good coating. I'm just going to put my meter probe into the center. Now position the charcoal to one corner for indirect roasting. Place the hood on. We're going to get this to the right temperature. So now fully open that top vent. A chunk of hickory wood nearby. Insert the roasting rack. Place the tri-tip not over the charcoal but to the side for indirect smoking. We now have some hickory smoke, which is kind of nice. So now hood over, shut the vent and let it go. 35 minutes into the cook, still have a constant 110 degrees, great for low and slow, and the hickory smoke is clean, it's gentle, and I could probably let some of that loose a little. So now it's 1 hour and 10 minutes in, still on 110, core temperature 52, so just over rare, going to be close to medium rare. Let's have a look. Beautiful crust, that is really nice, that's a nice rub, and the probe is still in there, which is kind of what we want. Little piece of hickory left, still the same charcoal, but diminished slightly, and that's had an hour plus of cook time, so really happy with that. Time to take that out. Tri-tip into a pan, the butter, pine leaves, and 2 garlic cloves cut in half. It's been smoked, rested, glazed, and is now ready for carving. Absolutely beautiful. Herbs from the garden, smoked salt, cracked black pepper, some chimichurri sauce. Here we are, garden greens, chimichurri sauce on that beautiful tri-tip, cooked to 52 degrees with smoke. And I tell you what, that little Cube 360 is an amazing little barbecue.